Hello, good evening, class. So today and tomorrow we are going to be focusing on primary colors and shapes. So primary colors, we find them literally everywhere. I'm wearing a primary color, pink, okay? I'm sure you're wearing a primary color. Here on the screen we have blue, red, green, yellow, purple, and orange, okay? I also have these. So I have yellow, pink, and at home, I want you to repeat after me, okay? Then we have blue, red, green, purple, and orange. Right. And then we're also going to be focusing on shapes. But before we get to that, my favorite color is yellow. My favorite color is yellow. So now I want you to tell me, so tomorrow you're going to tell me what your favorite color is, and then you're also going to tell your parents what your favorite color is. So I'll give you a second. All right. So be prepared to tell me tomorrow. All right. So we're also going to be focusing on shapes. So here we have a couple of them. We have the yellow circle. Okay, we have the red circle, the blue circle, then we also have a purple square. We have a yellow triangle. We have a green rectangle. Okay, and I have a couple flashcards here. I want you to repeat after me. Okay, we have a blue circle. There it is. A blue circle. Okay, then we have a blue square, a green circle, a green square, an orange square, an orange triangle, an orange rectangle, purple rectangle. Okay, and this one is like a rhombus. It's kind of like a diamond. All right. So what is your favorite shape? Okay, so my favorite shape, I'll go ahead and share my favorite shape. My favorite shape is a triangle. Why? Because it's the shape of a pizza. I love pizza. And I also like it because you could use your fingers to make the triangle shape. Okay, so you put an L with your right, another L with your left. We connect them, and here we are. We have a triangle. Okay, so next you are going to click on this link, or you're going to highlight it, copy it, come up here, paste it, hit the add. We're going to see different shapes and different colors. Okay, so we notice all the shapes coming out. We notice the different colors. Okay, so we're going to review this video tomorrow as well. So I want you to finish watching that video. Okay. All right, so what animals do we see here? And what color of animals do we see? Well, we have a brown bear. We have a blue horse. We have a green frog. We have a purple cat. We have a red bird. We have a black sheep, a goldfish, a white dog, a yellow duck. Okay, so if we go to the next slide, now it's your turn to read the book and answer questions. Okay, so tomorrow I am going to be asking you questions, so you're going to click on this hyperlink. We're going to go to YouTube. Okay, here. Or actually here on the top, on the URL. Okay. And you're going to watch the video and you're going to answer questions tomorrow. We're going to see different colors. So we see a brown bear. We see a yellow duck. We see a green frog, a purple cat, a black sheep, a goldfish, okay, a blue horse. So that's what we're going to be focusing on tomorrow. So I want you to read this book, and at home, you're going to be answering questions with your parents. We're going to go over the colors. So today, I want you to go over the colors with your parents. And then tomorrow, when we go to class, we're going to read this book together, and we're going to be ready to answer questions. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.